In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make and connect a simple flow using Training Builder tool. For this demonstration, we are going to learn the use of Node Triggered Event and Show Message Box Response. In other words, once the character clicks on our specific object, a message box will appear inside the VR viewer. So let's begin. Open the Training Builder in the Virtual Reality Workbench. Select Node Triggered from Events section. Then we need to choose our object, so we use Scene Node from Input section. Lastly, select Show Message Box from Responses section. Now you have your input, event, and response, but not connected yet. To do so, select your triggered object from your scene as your input scene node. Connect the scene node input to its port in the event block by dragging. As you can see, it's named and colored with the exact color for easier recognition. Then type your message title and body inside of Show Message Box Response Block. We need the message to appear on top of our object too. Therefore, connect one more time the Scene Node input to its port in the response block as well. Now complete this flow by connecting the event and response execute ports together. It will not work if these ports aren't connected. So this flow means once the character triggers the pyramid object, pop up our welcome message immediately. Let's check if our flow is working properly. Go to the Viewer menu and select Show in Viewer. See you at our next video.